Hello friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. In this video, we are going to see Chemistry Lab Experiment 5. Water becomes pink and colorless again. Introduction. It is the best demonstration of pH indicator. Definition of pH indicator. A pH indicator is a chemical compound added to a solution to know acidic basic nature of the solution visually. In this experiment, phenolphthalein is used as a pH indicator. It turns colorless in acidic solution and pink in basic solution. Materials required: apparatus, conical flask, straw, beaker. Chemicals: sodium carbonate solution, phenolphthalein indicator, water. Procedure and observations. Step 1. Take about 50 ml of water in a beaker. Step 2. Add approximately 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator in this water. Step 3. Observe the color of the solution. It is colorless. Step 4. Add 3 to 4 drops the sodium carbonate solution to the bottom of empty conical flask. Step 5. Add water containing phenolphthalein indicator to this glass. Observe the color of the solution. It turns to pink. It is due to the sodium carbonate present in the flask. How will you make it colorless again? Just use the straw and blow air for some time in this pink solution. It will become colorless. Explanation. When phenolphthalein comes in contact with sodium carbonate, it became pink as sodium carbonate is a base. When we blow air in the solution, carbon dioxide in the air reacts with water to form carbonic acid. Addition of carbonic acid makes the solution neutral and then acidic in nature, and indicator turns colorless again. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another interesting topic. Bye. Bye.